Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla badai ru National President ke NPP Conrad K Sangma hynne ke sngi ulong baki election shiteng samoi Gambegre Kadei Kaba Jwat Tam Namar da sau Sien baki iakhun kimpat jujop na katei constituency da kaba ai khublei ki paidbah ki pynjop ka kyrtong joka parti ka Dr Mehtab Chandee Sangma u Conrad ulong ru baka parti mynta wat hadien baki ladon lai pu ngut hynrei kine bteng trei lang bat ki wei pat ki parti hakasor kar sedrop kumbala ya kular nadu ka sedang.
First of all, I would like to take this opportunity officially to thank the people of Gambegre constituency for their support and vote of confidence in the recent by-elections in Gambegre. As I had mentioned earlier, that this constituency may be one of the more tougher constituencies for us, especially in the Karo Hills region, because in the last 4 elections we have never won this constituency, and we have always been in number 3 position. So it was a very tough election, and but I'm thankful to everybody for having supported, worked for us to win this by-election, and we got support from all quarters. Number 2, regarding the issue of the numbers, yes, we are very happy that the National People's Party today has 32 MLAs, and as mentioned correctly, that it is only after APHLC that this number by a political party has come. So we're very thankful, and we would like to thank God, and we would like to thank the people for this confidence that they have shown on us. Number 3, we have been very clear from day one that as a party, as a coalition, and as Chief Minister, we are here to send a positive message to the people of the state. Yes, politics is complicated. It is very dynamic, and there are many factors and a lot of pressure that comes on us. But in the long run, I think the message of stability, the message of trust, and the message of confidence is important in politics also. And therefore, in spite of the fact that we have numbers, we are sticking with our partners. We have shown our confidence in them, they have shown their confidence in us, and we would like to see that we work in the long run for the stability of the state and overall economic growth of the state. And therefore, there's no question of any realignment or anything like that.